Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We can play some song. Yeah, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, my name is Dr. Lalua Ayabami Adegoke. Yeah, I want to discuss about a very important topic this morning about a cause of fire incidents at various solar power installation sites. And this discussion is long overdue. And people, on social media, I've been seeing a lot of videos where uh, there's a house, a building is is on fire, and they are saying it's caused by solar power system or solar panels on the roof or by the lithium battery. I want us to discuss this morning about those issues that can cause fire incidents at a building or office or church or anywhere at a site generally. Uh, can a solar power system cause fire? Yes, it can. The answer is yes. But how? Uh, if we let's go through the solar power system components and the one that can cause fire and why. Let's start with the solar panels. With solar panels, most of the solar panels comes with a tampered glass. The normal one, original solar panel should come with a very strong tamper glass. But because of people that are looking for cheap solar panels all around, they go for solar panels with just a normal glass. And we know that in this part of the world, we're in a temperate region. Temperature can rise up to like 28, 30 degree, even more than that in some cases. So when temperature rises up to a very higher level, the glasses will crack. The crack is not even the issue sometimes. But when it rains and water enters through those cracked glasses, normal glass. If it's a tampered glass, even if it's a tampered glass crack, there will still not be available. There will not be any reason for water to enter into that solar panel circuit. So, but for normal glass, when they use normal glass, after some time, when it rains and water entered into that cracked glass, it will enter into the circuit of the solar panel. It's an electrical circuit too. Solar panels are electrical circuits. So and later it can ignite fire when a short circuit occurs inside the solar panels. Also, where what can also cause fire on the rooftop is when you use when they use sellotape to connect panels on the roof, especially the type of roof that has iron paint. We have some aluminium roof now, or what they call this one that has stone coated stuff. They use flammable materials on those roof to paint the roofs. So those oil paint that they use there can when if there is an opening on the positive side of a solar panel and the negative side of the solar panel, when they touch the roof, especially when some installers they will install without using solar panel rack on the roof. They will put solar panel on the roof with binding wire, and most importantly is for them to make sure the cables are well connected and well insulated. Without being well insulated, the cable, the wire, or the exposed copper wire inside the something can touch the roof and ignite fire. So those are mostly causes of solar panel fire on the roof. Also, what can also cause fire? Let's move now to solar charge controller. Most time, if a customer uses an underrated, overrated solar charge controllers, this can also explode into fire if they are overrated. There are some fake charge controllers out there that they will put 60 amps on 30 rated, amps rated solar charge controllers. But this rarely cause fire. The other things that can cause fire inside the solar power system is the battery, especially lithium battery. And why? Lithium battery is very safe, very, very safe. But there are some there are some fake lithium batteries that are in the market now that they comes without no BMS communication with the inverters. And there are so many inverters out there too now that cannot communicate with lithium battery. So if there is no communication between your lithium battery and your solar inverter, that the inverter will keep charging the battery even when the ambient temperature around the battery is very hot. You know, there are some people that installed solar power system in a non-ventilated area. If the temperature, or even if you install it outside, if it's an IP65 standard battery, it's an IP65 standard that can be outdoor. There's sometimes that the ambient temperature of the environment will be hot. In those cases, the inverter, when it sense, because if it's communicating with the battery, the lithium battery, it will sense that the temperature of the battery has increased. Thereby, it will stop all charging of the battery. But in the case whereby the inverter and the batteries are not communicating very well, it's a very big issue. And we have now in the market a lot of lithium battery without BMS communication cable. They are just producing it anyhow. They're just bringing it into the country. So insist when you want to buy solar inverters or solar lithium batteries, insist on the one that can communicate with each other. If they are communicating, this will enable the inverter to know all the uh, issue with the battery. It will know the temperature, it will know the voltage, it will know the current that the battery is accepting, it will know everything so that it will manage the battery. BMS means battery management system. Battery management system. At OIC Solar, we only use our SRNE inverter and SRNE batteries. There are so many other inverters and batteries that SRNE batteries can go along with and communicate with, like something like a Deye, Grow Watt, even Felicity and the likes. They can our battery can communicate with them, thereby ensuring proper communication between the inverter and the batteries. Also, our SRNE inverter and SRNE batteries, very great combination. So this ensure that there is no risk to the end user. Thank you very much for this. I'll be reading the chat later. If you are watching this online now right now, or you are watching later, leave a comment. Let me know your view about this and any other questions that you want us to treat on this YouTube channel. Let's know. We are going to treat it. Thank you very much and God bless.